All right, financial math classes. Today we're talking about real estate tax. Um, so if you own property in the United States, you have to pay taxes on that property. So if you own a home or just a parcel of land, you have to pay taxes on that. Each county is going to have a different tax rate, county and state. But so when you own a home, you're going to have to pay the real estate taxes. These taxes are used to pay for roads, parks, schools, government offices, other services, a lot of the same stuff that your income tax will go to. The amount of real estate tax that you pay in 1 year depends on the assessed value of your property. This is a dollar value that a tax assessor assigns to a property based on market value. So it's going to be a percentage of the market value of your property. And then their tax rate is expressed in mills. Mills is 0.001. All right. So this is what is different about this. We're going to be dealing with mills. To calculate using mills, you want to divide by 100. So we've been calculating using percentages, and we're going to do both in these problems. You're going to have to calculate a percent. So when you have a percent, you divide by 100 to convert it to a decimal to work with. For mills, you need to divide by 1,000 to convert it to a decimal to work with. So let's look at our first problem here. The Mariuskis home is located in a community where the rate of assessment is 45% of the market value. The tax rate is $65 per 1,000 of assessed value. So the tax rate, that is 65 mils. That's what that's going to be. So we're going to, I'll show that when we get to the tax rate down here. The Mariuskis home has a market value of $97,400. So the assessed value, what's the assessed value? What you need to do, first you're going to, that's not what I wanted. You're going to take the 45% and convert it to a decimal. So 4% divide by 100. So the assessment rate is 0.45. So here you're going to take the market value, which is 97,400, multiply it by the assessment rate, 0.45. And that comes out to 43,830. So the real estate tax is the tax rate. So the tax rate is this $65 per $1,000. So the tax rate, you need to figure out that first. I'm going to calculate that off to the side here. The tax rate, what you're going to do is you're going to do 65 divided by 1,000. That'll give you the mils. So it's going to be 0.065. 0.065. So the tax rate is 0.065 times the assessed value of 43,830. So let's multiply that. Get 2,848.95. And so this is something you normally pay once per year. You get a property or a real estate tax bill in the mail, you pay it once per year. There's a problem, an assignment where you it kind of breaks down where the money goes to. So this is a nice problem. Just want to say all these rates are mills. So to start this problem off, you need to figure out the assessed value. So your assessed value is the 80,000 times the tax rate. Make sure you change the tax or the assessed value rate percent to a decimal. So 80,000 times 0.45, that comes out to 36,000. So this is what we're going to use to calculate these. So property taxes is 56.79 mils. all of these are going to add up to 56.79. All right, so these, what you need to make sure you do is you take, so I add this, it's going to be 2.35. I need to divide it by 1,000. So that's 0.00235. All right, and then to figure out this general fund, how much of this, you multiply that by the assessed value. So 0.00235. And that is $84.6 goes towards the general county fund. So that's where we're getting this from. And you do the same thing. So you need to make sure you're working with mills. So it'd be divide that by 1,000 and then multiply by the assessed value. That comes out to 18. So you have to do that for each of these to see how much money is going where. And that'll do it for this. Next time, I think we're talking about homeowners insurance. Fun times.